In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok not available in your region. Now there can be two cases to this. If you were able to use the TikTok app previously and if you're currently having issues within the TikTok application, in this situation what you can do is change the region within the TikTok application. So from your profile section, head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down, head over to account, and right here you'll be able to see the option called account information. So this is the current account region that you have selected. What you can simply do is select a different region, and by doing this step alone you should be able to fix this issue. The other thing that might have happened is due to the app bugs or app glitches. So in this case what you can do is just uninstall the TikTok application from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will be now fixed. Now if you're having issues downloading the TikTok application in general from the App Store or the Play Store, in this situation what you can try out is try to use a VPN. So download any VPN onto your device, connect it to a different region or a different country, and by doing this step you should be able to fix this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.